Hello guys, good afternoon. For my adventure today, I'm taking you to SM City, Cebu, here in the Philippines, with my father and my mother and my nephew. We're going to have a mukbang today guys, so be with me. So this is my father guys, my mom is there, and my nephew. So we're going inside this SM City, Cebu. Okay guys, so we will look for some place to eat. My mama is that one with my nephew. My father is there. So we have the food here guys. These are the food. So we will order grilled tuna belly, grilled bangus, and there are desserts here, and there is vegetable, there is calamaris, lechon, and vegetable. So let's eat guys. Let's get inside. Let's go and find our food to order. Yes, thank you. Okay. Yes. You write your order in the paper. Pa, you choose pa. Yung may order. So guys, we're ordering our food. Let's see what's good here. Okay? Okay guys, that's my father and my mother. Mama, what can you say, Mama?
Hi, good afternoon to you.
Papa.
God bless for the food you give me.
Okay, my mom has something to say. Mama.
Thank you so much, DJ Love, for the food we eat.
Hello, DJ Love. This is Papa and this is my father and my mother. They are really happy. Thank you for supporting our food today. We really appreciate your kindness and your generosity. Be healthy always. So we are waiting for the food. Thank you so much. Okay, what can you say, William?
Hi there, DJ Love. Thank you for the food that you give.
So my mother and my father. So while we are waiting guys, before we come here, I actually prepared in our house these fruits. So I bring with us fruits guys, so that our food will be healthy. So there we have grapes, watermelon, mango, and banana. So our lunch today will be really healthy and yummy. So we are waiting for our food to be served guys. Are you excited to eat? Yes, I am very excited na guys.
Isog pating. Ito ang mga artista.
How about there, Yum? Guys, look at my mother and my father. They're eating grapes while they are waiting for the food, guys. Okay guys, the food is being served right now at the moment. My mom is really hungry now, guys. So we have there